So we're going to come out of the back door today to begin this walk because I wanted you to see that the patio is wet. That is not a good sign. Not for cop match. It has been raining, which means the cricket pitch is wet. But we'll make the most of it anyway. Here's West End Primary School. The original building there, the two-story portion, was constructed in 1944. And this is a school that was really started to allow black children a place to be educated in the parish of Sands.
I'm not camera ready, please. Hello? wait, look. Let me represent.
Oh no, not the St. George's colors.
Hello?
Oh no. Donna! It's lovely to see you.
Who that's in here?
Nah. Good morning, Tina.
Typical man.
Sometimes it's hard to focus, just to persevere and just to make it. But everything that's within your grasp, you gotta take it, you gotta go harder. Just dig deeper inside you to find that method, that mode that wants that hunger to survive, just to ride the grind, to take it the way you gotta take it and never stop.
You can see a little bit of the cricket field grounds from here. Well, actually, the only thing you can see are the camp areas. There's 3 stories of seating that has been erected especially for cop match. Just over there in the background. I'm walking along the main road of Somerset. In the far background is the St. Joseph's Church. Cup Match Holiday Day 1 is well on the way. Somerset is doing fantastically, and looking forward to a win, outright win. This is a 2-day event. It starts at 10 o'clock each morning and it goes on till about 7 p.m. each night. That's the game of cricket. Actually, this is not so bad walking at this hour. It's a lot of shade. 6 p.m. I'm quite comfortable. I don't even have on walking shoes. But yeah, this is the route I took this morning where my audio got lost. And I'm just retracing my steps. So hopefully it will serve the purpose I'm intending. Again, when I was a child, this building used to be the Simmons Ice Cream Factory. They made the best ice cream and the best sherbet. But now it's some other kind of business. I believe it still belongs to the Simmons family. So I followed the road around Somerset, and this here is the Somerset Police Station, and in a minute I'm going to be at Beacon Hill Road, which, as you recall from episode 1, is the road to my house. Bermuda Railway Trail signpost. It is maintained by the National Park Division. This part of the railway trail here with the trees forming like an umbrella is really special. I love this. Absolutely so cool in here. They're celebrating something down at the cup match. Maybe someone got a 6 or 4 or an out. But something significant just happened. Getting close to the intersection of Clive Best Lane and the railway trail. Well, this car has been ticketed. That's a $75 charge. It would have been cheaper just to pay $20 and park all day in one of the available parking lots. This is not what this looked like this morning. It's a lot different. But hey, the party has definitely begun. A lot of people will start leaving now. In fact, here comes my neighbor. Hey George, how are you? This is Cup Match, people. Oh yeah, the party is on, and this is just one side of things. The eastern side of the field. People parked all up in in people's property. Yeah, everybody's having a good time. All sorts of food. Yes, it is on. Now I'm just walking along Clyde Bass Lane, and this would be the northern side of the field. The music is just pumping. What can I say? This is what Cup Match is all about in Bermuda. Clyde Bunny Best, one of Bermuda's national heroes, especially in the sporting world. Played for West Ham United many years ago as a youngster. This is what Clyde Best has to say about Cup Match. To me, Cup Match is the best holiday in the world. He was not only a great soccer player in his day, he was also a fantastic cricket player, and he played for Somerset. Here's another sporting legend of Bermuda. He is known as Mr. Cup Match. His name is Gennaro Tucker. And those are a lot of statistics about his record in the game of cricket. He, of course, played for Somerset.